Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi loved the park. She zoomed down the bright slide and swung high to the sky. Mama and Papa sat nearby, watching her play. "Whee!" shouted Mimi, giggling happily. Soon, it was time to go home. Mama started folding their big picnic blanket. Papa tried to gather all of Mimi's toys, a shovel, a pail, and a little red truck. They had many things and looked a little tired. Mimi watched them. Mama stretched to fold the blanket. Papa juggled the toys in his arms. Mimi thought, "Mama and Papa are working so hard. I want to help them." Mimi ran to Papa. "Papa, I can carry my little red truck," she said, picking it up carefully. Then she saw Mama's basket. "Mama, I can hold this little flower," she offered, gently taking a small toy flower. Mama and Papa looked at Mimi with big, warm smiles. "Oh, thank you, Mimi. You are such a thoughtful helper," said Mama. Papa gave her a happy hug. Mimi felt a wonderful, warm feeling inside her heart.